everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. In this video, we will guide you step by step through mug sublimation process. Before we begin, please prepare the following materials: heat-resistant gloves, heat-resistant tape, heat press mats for 11-ounce and 15-ounce mugs, matching mugs, sublimation paper, and a pair of scissors. This tutorial is divided into 5 simple steps to guide you through the mug sublimation process. Step 1. Power on and set parameters. Short press the power button to turn it on. For an 11-ounce mug, press and hold the time button to set the time to 420 seconds. For a 15-ounce mug, set it to 520 seconds. Set the temperature to 200 Celsius degrees, 390 Fahrenheit degrees, and the pressure to 45 kilograms, 100 pounds. Once set, allow the machine to preheat. Step 2. Print and apply sublimation paper. Open Idea Studio software. On the right side under My Device, select the HTVRONT A200 Auto Tumbler Heat Press. You can click Library to choose a design, or click File Upload in the top left to upload your own image. Select the canvas size and the correct mug size. Next, adjust the image's position and click Clipping Mask. Make sure to flip the image before printing. After that, click Make to Print. On the print settings, set the orientation to landscape, paper type to Epson, and quality to high. Print the design onto sublimation paper and allow it to dry completely. Then trim along the pattern edges. After cleaning the mug surface, secure one side of design with heat-resistant tape. Slowly wrap the paper around the mug by hand, making sure it fits tightly against the surface. Once it is smooth and wrinkle-free, secure the other side with tape. Step 3. Wrap with heat press mat. Please note that 11-ounce and 15-ounce mugs requires different heat press mats. For the 11-ounce wrap, pay attention to the orientation. The side with the arrow should face upward toward the mug rim. The thicker top ensures better heat transfer around the rim area. For the 15-ounce wrap, simply make sure the labeled side faces outward. Step 4. Heat press. Before starting the heat press, here's a quick reminder. Please do not press 2 mugs at the same time, as uneven pressure may affect the final result. Also, ensure the cup opening is not placed facing inward. When the start button turns green, put on your heat-resistant gloves. Insert the 11-ounce mug from the left side of the machine, with the rim facing outward, and make sure it does not exceed the marked line. Insert the 15-ounce mug from the right side, also with the rim facing outward, ensuring it stays within the marked line. Press the start button to begin the heat pressing process automatically. When the countdown ends, the machine will beep and automatically release. Step 5. Hot peel. Wait for 30 seconds to peel off the sublimation paper. Do not rinse it with cold water immediately to avoid bursting. That's everything for today's tutorial. We hope you find it helpful. Now it's your turn to create your own custom mugs. See you next time!